Hi friends, so continuing the series on at-home things you can do to determine if you are more warm or cool tone, so kind of like an at-home color test. And this is what I like to call the pink test. So this might be harder to find in your house, depending on if you have like daughter, etc. But take your cooler pink, which is more like a hot pink or magenta, and then a warmer pink, which is more like a mango, salmon-y color, coral, and compare. So because I'm a winter, the cooler hot pink would be better on me. This is actually a little too light for me. I would be better in a darker shade of this color, like magenta. But if I compare to the warmer mango, like this is not quite as flattering. It's just, it's a little too orangey for me. It's still pink, so it's close, but not going to be quite as good as this pink that has a lot more blue tones in it, okay? So if you are trying to figure out if you are more warm or cool toned, you can always do the pink test. All right, see you later.